Hi! Since the last video, I have finished the heel cap, and next I will show you how to pick up new stitches for the foot. First, knit across the heel stitches. At this point, you should have 14 heel stitches. Next, pick up 14 stitches along this side of the flap. The last stitch that is picked up right before the next needle always leaves a little gap behind. To avoid that, I like to pick it up by inserting the left needle from front to back into the corner and knit the picked up stitch through the back loop. That way, the picked up stitch is twisted, which makes it less likely to leave a gap. After that, knit across the next 2 needles. Next, we are going to pick up 14 stitches on this side of the flap. Pick up the first stitch after the needle, like you picked up the last stitch on the other side of the heel flap. So insert your left needle from front to back into the corner and knit the picked up stitch through the back loop. Slip the picked up stitch onto your new needle and pick up the rest of the stitches as usual. Use the same needle to knit the first half of your heel stitches so that the center back of your sock is between the last and the first needle. In my case, I need to knit 7 stitches. After that, knit until you get to the last 2 stitches of the first needle. Knit the next 2 stitches together through the back loops. After that, knit across the next 2 needles. On the last needle, knit the first 2 stitches together. Then knit the rest of the needle. Decrease like this in every other round until you are down to 56 stitches in total. After that, continue knitting an ocean view without knitting any decreases until your foot is 12 centimeters long, measured from the marker we set earlier. Next, knit pattern A4. The first round of A4 starts with 2 stitches in ocean view, 1 stitch in blue, and 1 stitch in ocean view. Continue like that until you reach the end of the round. After this round, knit the rest of A4. In the next video, I will show you how to knit the toes. As always, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.